Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik and in this video I am going to show you how to create beautiful Pinterest images or Pinterest pins. So I used to create my Pinterest pins through Canva. Just go to canva.com, home, and then in the search bar type Pinterest. Then select this one, Pinterest graphic. Its size is 735 into 1102. So I have already created a simple Pinterest pin. You can see 735 pixels into 1102 pixels, and I have created these pictures for an article of 11 habits you need to include into your morning routine, and here you can write something like how to be more productive. So I would like to start from scratch. That's why I would like to duplicate this. Just click on here and duplicate this and get rid of all this. Select all, delete and delete and delete. Now first of all I will add some background image. So from photos, background, and here click on more and then click on pixel and type morning routine and then hit enter. And I have, in my previous pin, you can see I have added this image. So click on this, then drag it to make it bigger like this and slide it toward left like this. Now what will I do is go to elements, shapes, and add this shape, rectangular shape. This is some sort of overlay like that, and then go to transparency and lower the transparency to 60 or something like that. Now go to text and add some text like this. I have already added this text. I will copy this all, Control V. Now there is a huge spacing between these texts. Just reduce this spacing and also change the color of text to white. Now move this text toward the top within the margins. Next, Ctrl plus D to duplicate this and then write our second line. It is 11 habits. Make it bigger and click on this to make it all capitals. It is habits like this. Now select this alt text to color and change its color to yellow. Now click on this, Ctrl plus D, change the text to you need to include. You need to. Then select this text, click on all capitals, drag it to make it large, just like that. Now duplicate this again, include into your, then make it bigger, and press on this AA and make it all capitals or uppercase, like that, to make it smaller. Then move the text accordingly to reduce the extra space. Now click on this and Control plus D and change the text to morning. Enter. Habits. Move it toward the upward. Now select all this, position, center, again select all these, move toward up and center. Now click on this and change the transparency to 70, like that. Now click on photos and here write something like exercise. Or into element, or you can select element and write exercise and add this element down here. You can see its transparency is 62 and you can change its color. Click on the overlay and change its color to black like this and drop the transparency to 65 or 60. Then you can download it. Our Pinterest pin is ready. You can download it by clicking on the download button, selecting PNG and selecting the page number. It is 1 and you are done. Download. So let's have a look and open. Here, this is our Pinterest pin is ready. It looks very cool and very repinable. Text is very prominent. This is how you can add create beautiful Pinterest pins using Canva. If you like the video, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button below the video. Thanks for watching.